Okay, hi guys, and today we're going on a little camping trip.
Right?
Yep, it's gonna be A-okay.
Plus, Elliot just 3D printed me a fat squirrel.
And this is gonna be what our camper van looks like. Well, not exactly like that, but still. And we are so excited for this trip.
Who liked my hamster outfit?
Okay, let's wait.
Where are you?
Over here,
Where?
I'm jumping constantly.
Where? Oh,
Are you here?
yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna do party size 4, and no, 2, and difficulty normal. Okay, I'm really excited for this trip.
We should start. One more. We should cut it till we just get here.
Okay. Okay. Guys. Okay, we're gonna leave now. That was really, really fun, right, Finn? Yeah, that was really fun.
What's the interior?
Okay, let's go. Okay. Well, don't we already know what the interior looks like.
I'm guessing.
How do I close the hood? Can you close the hood? Okay, I closed it. Okay, so now I need some wheels. Finn, can you help me put this together? Okay, so, oh my God, what just happened? Did that hurt? Okay, come on. I need this. Oh, come back.
Yeah.
Ah!
Dang.
What? You're strong.
Yeah.
We're strong.
We're strong, baby.
Okay, let's pack up the rest of our stuff. Like my burger that I took a bite of. We'll pack that up.
Why instead of
Cooler open. Oh wait, I can't use our cooler. Okay, put that right there. Finn, there's stuff that we forgot inside to pack up.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Oh, it says that I get to drive.
no, it actually says that I get to drive.
Oh, I wanna drive.
You get the machete. No, it says that I get to drive.
Oh, can I please drive?
Okay, fine. No, please, please. You can be in the other seat.
I guess I will.
Okay, come on.
But I'm gonna watch TV the whole time, okay?
Okay, we'll get the map.
And we totally did not just buy the body of a camper and its parts off of eBay.
Okay, this is my first time ever driving.
Wait, what? You didn't tell me that?
No, it's totally not the first time. I'm just kidding. Ah! We're off-roading, I'm sorry. Ah! Okay.
Did you get your driver's license yet?
Yes. And watch out! Ah! Okay, wait. I see this little hut, and we're gonna go steal from it.
Yeah.
Look at this beehive over there. I do not want to go close to that.
Oh my god. Oh, wait, I want
Wait,
the
there's so much stuff in here.
gun. I want the gun, okay?
Oh, Finn, there's a music desk. There's music discs.
Like,
Let's hear this music. I'm gonna put this music in. We're playing. Yeah! I like this music. Let's get some more food.
I literally just got out of the house. I
you put it on a shelf so we can still grab some stuff. I'm gonna steal this guitar.
I'm gonna
Ah! Is that food?
Okay,
Let's get the bee food.
that fits there.
Where did it go? One of the bee food disappeared. Okay, let's get the rest of that stuff in that bag. I wish I could carry stuff with my 2 hands. Ooh, I'm gonna put this fuel in the
This
fuel
is
tank.
bear. You need some?
Just put it in the van for now.
Spray it on.
Okay, we don't need this anymore.
And spray it
No,
on
I
me.
meant we don't need this anymore. No, don't waste it. Oh. Okay, so Finn.
I'm gonna put you right there.
Oh, Finn, you should grab the crate.
Yeah, I will.
Put it on a shelf. Oh, we have so much stuff. Then where's the key?
Okay, I'm gonna push it. Push it.
Okay. Then get the can of beans. Uh-oh. I'll get the can of beans.
Yummy cake.
It's turning nighttime. Uh-oh. What happens at night? I don't know. The monsters. No, the werewolf. Is it a full moon? Oh, I just ate the can of beans. I was hungry. Oh, Finn. Hey, Finn, let me in. Don't worry. Do you have your driver's license?
Yeah, I do.
Well, I do too.
You don't.
Oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh gosh. You'll be able to drive now. You can watch TV if you want, that's the wrong way.
How fast are you going? You're speeding, Elliot.
Ah, there's a bear! There's a bear! I'm scared. I need to go. There's a bear! Look behind the car. There's a bear back there. Do you see it?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Need to
Ah!
supplies. Close this.
Ooh, it's hard to drive with. The bear is coming. Ah! Ah! I'm scared, I'm scared. I got my driver's license. Oh wait, I'm hungry. You drive for a little bit. I need some food. Okay.
How does that actually take us? Oh. Oh, wrong way. We're on the road again.
Wait, I'm gonna go get some food real quick. Wait, Finn. Oh no. Ooh, coconut.
I'm coming back, Elliot.
I'm gonna bring this coconut with us. This guy's name is Bob. If you can see his eyes, and his face.
Hello.
Don't drive yet. I need to close the door. Okay, I'm just gonna watch some TV.
Oh,
Wait. there's so much stuff in here.
Just in case I need this one.
Ooh, I think this is a better route. This is a reinforced tire. This tire is reinforced. So that means that it's better. Oh wait, I'll put this tire, I'll keep this tire inside still as a spare tire just in case. Let's keep spare tires just in case.
Elliot, there's 2 rifles.
Let's definitely keep spare tires. Whoa, okay, that's good. The bear isn't chasing us anymore. I don't know.
Because I got this bad boy.
There's too much to do.
What?
Oh, there's more bear spray.
This place is awesome.
Okay, you get a bunch of food. Look at how much stuff we have.
Need TVs, food. I'm gonna take the spare tire.
One sec, guys. Hello? Yeah? Okay, bye. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Oh, it's morning. I was on a call, and now it's morning. Oh, Finn, you can go on the roof of the car. Okay, let's go. Let's get the rest of the food in here. And we don't need it on. Oh. Okay, let's go. All we really need to do is we need to get home. I'm on the outside. I want to go on the roof. Whee! Okay, I'm ready. Wait, actually, no, I don't want to go.
How'd that get there?
What?
That. Put it somewhere.
The rifle?
Yeah. Hold it.
Oh gosh. No, the rifle! It's gone! Oh wait, it's not. Oh, I went to... Wait. I'm sleeping. Finn, look at me back here. Wait, there's a forest fire, Finn.
Let's drive right through
Finn, don't. Wait, Finn, stop! Stop it!
it. I did.
Whee! Look, there's a watchtower. How did that not burn? How did this not burn already?
Yeah!
And literally, how did this not burn already? So, then, because there's snakes in this game. Duh. Okay, bye. I want to drive this time.
No.
Do you want to go on the roof of the car? And feel the wind? Oh, Finn, stop. Actually, you got to drive.
You don't need the engine.
Okay, put it back. Okay. Do you want to watch some TV?
Yeah. My trusty.
I can't go backwards. Hey, that's why you crashed. And now we're stuck.
Yes.
Oh, Finn, stop.
Nope. That's the engine.
No, it says it's the engine.
Really? It says it.
Yeah, it says it's the engine.
Wait, can I drive? Wait. What? I can drive.
Let's Because I put the engine back.
You did.
No, I actually did. Can you drive anymore? Because I took the engine out. Now let me drive. Hey. I was just getting out because I'm hungry. And I'm not giving you this engine back. Yay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yay.
I didn't put it back in. Well, I'm not giving you the engine. Wait, what happened? Whee! Okay, ready to go? Whee, ready? Yeah, it's not moving. Whee! Yeah, so basically, the car doesn't move. Okay.
Wait, Elliot!
Been ready to go?
No. I'm not ready to go. Elliot,
Oh wait, I didn't notice. Wait, that's
yeah, you did.
no, I literally didn't notice.
I was telling you to stop. You looked at my screen.
Ah, this is bumpy.
So that's just you farting.
I don't know. I think the car is burning. That was close. Ooh, what is this?
Oh, look, it's a gas station. Conveniently put right here on
Ah! What the heck?
the side.
There's a ghost driver.
Refill. Wait, Elliot, stop.
This gas station smells funny. My hands are so slippery. Whee! No good tires. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's keep going. Whee!
Wait for me. Okay.
Yeah, we're brothers. Why is there a random fountain in the middle of nowhere? Why is there a random gas station? Like that's gonna stop me. I wasn't looking at the road, I was texting someone.
I know you had a phone.
I don't know.
You're only 9 years old.
Dare you on 56,000 years. I don't think neither of us have our driver's license. Okay, turn it on. Call for some supplies. Oh gosh. It's hard driving it like this. Why is there random stuff
I'm
in the
hungry.
Okay.
I can't get up.
Ooh.
I can open doors. But I couldn't get up.
Ooh, a stinky coconut. Yummy. Oh wait, don't eat that stinky cake. It makes your hungriness go down. Don't have any food. We have to hunt for food. Oh, I see a beehive. Finn, there's a beehive over here. I need it. Can take. Oh, there's only one. I'm going.
Oh yeah, I need more than you do.
Wait, there's berries. Over here. There's berries.
Where are you?
Wrong way. Over here. Behind you. Quick, berries. I'll throw one to you. Wait, I just ate it? What? Okay. That was on accident.
Let me have all of them.
Okay, you eat all of them. Oh, I see a campsite. Let's drive to it. Then I'll drive over to you. I can zoom in. Wow. Wait, I just pushed the car. The car is done moving. Yeah. I'm coming. Whee! I crashed. Get in. I know it's the wrong way. Get in. Wait. I'm coming back. Did I just run over you?
We don't need that door to close.
Yeah.
Open that.
Campsite. I don't care if that is the wrong way. Okay, we're here. Food. Canned beans. There's an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. We're gonna survive.
Pick up the apple.
Goodbye, Finn. Meow. Go.
No kids.
Why did our parents let us do this?
This must be like this is a miniature army.
Well, look how fast we're going. Look, Alex. Finn. What did I say, Alex?
Yay! I get to fly.
Come to the house. There's probably food.
Can I drive next?
Yeah. Oh my god, there's so much food.
Hallelujah.
This is my dream.
Yum.
Ooh, and there's fuel. We could definitely use some fuel. No, look at the other house. That's really close.
Yummy, I just ate it.
Oh, I'm like full hunger now. That's so yummy. Whee! Oh, that was the best. This is the best day of my life. Look in this house.
Wait.
Okay, let's put the fuel tank in.
Wait.
The fuel tank. Let's use the fuel tanks. Come on. Finn, the fuel tank's almost full. We just need like one more fuel.
Are these Burger King burgers? These are awesome.
Finn, get one of the fuel tanks. Let's fill it up.
I'll look.
I hate baked beans.
You should know.
Well, I don't care. I wish there was like a set.
we even explore the whole the tower yet?
Now let's drive closer to that. Okay, we have a full fuel tank. Fully fueled, that's an achievement.
Dang. I need my rifle. Oh yeah, I need my rifle. That's 20 ammo.
Why can't I turn on the TV? Goodbye. I'm leaving you. Like, look at that watchtower. Look at it. You get the van.
Hopefully I'll get it after.
No, you said you wanted to drive.
Is there anything good? Any ammo? Ooh, yes, I need that. No. 25.
Look at this cool CD.
I found a better engine, Elliot.
Get it.
You get it.
That will probably make us faster. I have a CD right now.
Drop it.
No, this is probably gonna have better music.
Wait, please. I'll get the van. You just get it. Okay, you can get the CD.
I'm gonna throw this over.
Okay, I'll just win.
Okay, this is probably gonna let it go faster. Easter Jr.
Whee!
Okay, I got the better engine. Get that engine out of there. How fast are we gonna go? I'm kind
Okay,
of scared.
ready? Take it out.
Wait.
Is it in?
Yep.
There we go. Oh my god.
Wait, that's way faster.
Oh my god.
Wait, Finn, you're leaving me.
I know I was leaving you.
I wanna get this new CD.
Okay.
Tell me if it sounds good. Does the one right now sound good?
There is none left.
Yes, there is. That's not it. Let's do that. We're so stupid. The tapes don't even take up space. You put multiple in there. Oh, I like this.
I hope so.
Watch out, watch out!
Working. Oh,
How did we not see that?
wait. Yeah.
Wait. I jumped out of the movie. Wait, is this a prison cell?
I'm gonna park.
Or another better engine?
What?
Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.